Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress dashboard. This central hub is your command center for managing your entire website. You'll find a clear left-hand menu providing quick access to essential sections like posts, pages, media, and comments. The main area displays helpful widgets, including an at-a-glance summary showing your content count and recent activity. It's designed for efficient site administration, making your daily tasks straightforward and organized. Creating and editing content is a core function of your WordPress dashboard. To add new posts or pages, simply click the Add New button found in the respective menu sections. For existing content, hover over the title and choose Edit to open the block editor. This intuitive editor allows you to build rich layouts using various content blocks, giving you full control over your text, images, and other media. It makes content management both powerful and user-friendly. Personalizing your website's look and feel is simple through the Appearance section. Here, you can browse and activate new themes to completely transform your site's design. The Customizer allows you to fine-tune elements like colors, fonts, and header images in real time. You can also easily manage your site's navigation menus and add useful widgets to your sidebars or footers, ensuring your visitors have a smooth and engaging experience. Plugins are powerful tools that extend your WordPress site's functionality far beyond its core features. From contact forms and security enhancements to search engine optimization and e-commerce, there are tens of thousands of options available. You can easily search for, install, and activate plugins directly from your dashboard. Remember to configure them properly after activation to ensure they work seamlessly and provide the desired enhancements for your website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.